Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off call forwarding. So let's start. First open the Phones app on your phone. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Supplementary Services. Here you will see call forwarding. Tap on that. Now tap on Voice Call. And here you will see four options. To turn them off, tap on one. For example, I'll now tap on Always Forward and tap on Turn Off to turn this feature off. And it takes a few moments to update the change. And just like that, if you want to add any feature, tap on that and type in the number, and if it is already enabled, then tap on Turn Off. And that's how you can turn off call forwarding from your phone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.